Hey, it's Josh. I'm going to show you how to use my words filter program. So basically when you first open the program, you'll see this instructions page. It'll tell you everything you need to know about the program. And if you want to make this window hide when we're setting the default settings, you can do that by clicking this. So next time you reset default settings, it won't show this. So you can close it. So basically what this does is it monitors the words that are in an internal word list. So if your child types those words, it'll close their browser tab. So it'll either do that or it'll backspace what they wrote, so they won't even be able to search for it. I'll demonstrate that in a second, but you can see the words list by clicking that. It'll show it right here. So basically any word that's in this list, it's monitoring those, and if any word that's in this list is typed, yeah, it'll close the browser tab. And if you want to add something like this to the words list, you can click add word and it'll be added. So if they type that word, that'll be deleted too. If you do this, you can remove it. It's gone from the list. So you can add and remove words as you please. So while it's monitoring, it'll actually save a text file of whatever they search for, but it only work if it's not in the list. So whatever words they type that aren't in the list, it'll show up in that document. So the default location is in your documents as searchinfo.txt. So I'll demonstrate that too. You can also set a password, and the default password is 0p3n. So if I start monitoring, it'll close the window and start monitoring. It'll tell you the search info will be saved at that location, and then it'll tell you the default password. And it says to wait 10 seconds to see if the search info is saved, because sometimes when you first install it, the search info won't save properly at that location that it's set to. So now it says it was saved properly. So it saves it every 10 seconds in your documents. So whatever you type here, it'll save this, and it'll overwrite it every 10 seconds. So unless when you reopen the program again, it'll overwrite it again. So make sure you check it every night, if you please. So I'll demonstrate that here. I'll demonstrate that if you type a word that's in the word list, it'll close the browser. So it's gone. They won't be able to search for it at all. If I wanted to reopen it, reopen the window, I just use the password. Just type op3n. So while that was monitoring, it was saving it was saving it every 10 seconds. Yeah, this was adding and removing words. But I'll start monitoring again, and I'll type this. So it basically saves all their search info. Whatever they type into their browser, it'll save it in the text file. See, it shows it right here. So whenever the program is open, it'll do this. But once you close the program, it'll overwrite it. It'll overwrite this file the next time you open it again and start monitoring. So I'll reopen the program by typing op3n. I'll change the password. So if I start monitoring again and type password accepted, it'll open the window. So if I want to make this window hide on startup, I can just click that. and then start monitoring, and it'll close the program obviously when the computer turns off. But when you turn it on again, you can make a shortcut to this program and put it in your startup folder, which is right here. So my shortcut's already there to test this, and it works. It turns on the program at startup. No one will even know it's there if you check this box. So your child won't know it's here. He won't even know what's going on. So it's perfect. So that's basically how this program works. Oh, one more thing. In your documents folder, there will be the list will be in there too. If you want to see the words list outside of the program, so it'll be in here. Like just in case you want to make sure that your child didn't change anything. So yeah, that'll be in your documents. So I hope you guys enjoy this program. I hope you get it and use it, and it'll make a difference. See you later.